Now, if we have a good housing market, and we actually, frankly, have an excellent auto market, but it's mostly used because people have been moving out of the office in the city to the suburbs. I mean, could I make a case that there is a V recovery in some of the economy so that the lack of stimulus may be actually okay?
Well, I think so. Look, stimulus certainly would help small businesses and medium-sized businesses. You know, about 80% are getting to the end of their first loans, and they're looking for more flexibility and more loans to help them out. About 40% were looking for an additional stimulus. I think we're going to get that. Unfortunately, now it looks like more like November. But even without that, we've seen a number of businesses come back that we had seen suspended. And now about 2/3 to 3/4 of those are back processing payroll, and even for a few less employees. But I think that's going to continue to build.
But, Marty, you did say in the conference call that you think that the jobs recovery from here will be slower than it's been the last 3-4 months. So that's not necessarily good news.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, that's true, but I think it's progressive. I think it's continuing to happen. We've seen, you know, we saw a great bounce back in May and June, and then it began to slow down. But it is still coming back, and we're seeing more small businesses in particular add employees. Jim, and as you know, we've also seen new business starts up 20% over last year, and we are selling a lot to a lot of businesses that are outsourcing for payroll and HR for the first time ever.
Let's talk about the coloration of the new businesses. What kind are they, and where are they geographically?
Yeah, we're seeing them, you know, spread pretty widely geographically, mostly in the South and West, but it is spread out quite a bit. And it's really all different sectors of business. You know, leisure and hospitality got hit the worst.
Right.
But you're seeing, you're seeing small businesses reinvent themselves. You've talked about it a number of times, and finding new ways to take opportunities in a COVID environment and a remote workforce environment and really turn them into something. So, you know, we've seen the best payroll sales unit growth in over 5 years in this quarter because of so many businesses outsourcing payroll and so many new businesses.
That's incredible.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.